In this video, I will walk you through a detailed PackDraw review, focusing on whether this platform lives up to the hype compared to other mystery box sites currently on the market. When evaluating these services, the biggest contrasts often come down to transparency and the variety of items available. Based on independent analysis from Better Checked, PackDraw positions itself in a competitive space where users are looking for everything from high-end electronics to the latest hype-beast fashion. One of the main trade-offs we see here is the thrill of the draw versus the reality of financial risk. Better Checked emphasizes that while the content on these platforms is for entertainment, the regional legal status of loot boxes can vary significantly. This means your experience might differ depending on where you are located. It is essential to remember that PackDraw, like its competitors, involves a degree of chance that can lead to losses. Standout features often include the specific curation of boxes, like the popular sneaker or tech-heavy collections that attract collectors. However, the site's methodology reminds us that these platforms are third-party entities, and users must take sole responsibility for understanding the terms before participating. Comparing PackDraw to other industry leaders highlights the importance of using independent reviews to navigate the potential for incidental damages or system failures. Always look for platforms that prioritize clear disclosure and set strict limits on your activity. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into mystery box platforms. Let me know in the comments if you have ever used PackDraw and what your experience was.